Welcome. In front of me is a SAMSUNG Galaxy S22 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now this process does remove things like screen lock if you have one that you don't know. When I lock my device, you can see that I do have a pattern set. There we go. And I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know my pattern. Now for this to actually work, we will need a cable. So obviously Type-C connected to your computer. And from there we can begin. So obviously you want to start off by actually plugging it in. And there we go. Just move the cable right here. And you do want to have the screen lit up just so you can see it. The reason for that is because we cannot turn off the device normally, like we can almost any other phone. I know Samsung needs to make it annoying, so we need to forcibly reboot it by holding power key and volume down. And the reason we need to see the screen is because it lets us know when the phone actually turns off. Because you know, you can't power it down, but you can power it down with a key command. Great annoyance. So once the screen turns off, and not just the screen, I mean the phone entirely, you want to switch from volume down to volume up. So let's do that right now. I'm holding power key, volume down. It shows me the boot options, completely disregard them. It's not like they're gonna work in terms of powering off. It just turned off, so I'm gonna switch to power and volume up. And once you see the Samsung Galaxy with the Galaxy at the bottom, you can let go of both of the keys and simply wait for the recovery mode to show up. And from here, first things first, we can get rid of the cable because it's not needed anymore. And additionally, to navigate through the options right here, we will need to use volume keys to do so. As you can see, you can go up and down using respected keys. And with that in mind, you want to scroll down and select Wipe Data Factory Reset, confirm it with power key, and then select Factory Data Reset, again confirm that. At the bottom you should see Data Wipe Complete, at which point Reboot System Now will be selected by default, so press power key once again to initiate that reboot. Now this will continue the process in the background, and it will take it about 1 minute to 2 minutes to turn back on. So just let it run, it's not like you have a choice. And once it's finished, we'll be greeted with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. Additionally, the screen lock that was previously visible is completely gone, though I will mention that now, if you are logged into Google account, that you will need to verify that throughout the setup process. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.